let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're going to Western region in Abu Dhabi. It's our first time to go for the long drive, going in the Western region. What are you waiting for? Come and join our family and let's go to the Western Hotel. Yoo-hoo! So time check, it's 2:20 ng hapon, and we're still here in Abu Dhabi City. So around 1.5 hours going there in Western region. It's too hot today, and temperature is 40 degrees. So after less than 1.5, so we're here in the Western Hotel. So this is the reception. We already booked and just waiting for the room. This is the activity that you can do here. We didn't book for these activities because we have 2 babies and I don't think so I can handle these activities, but there's a chance. I'm excited to go for this archery. So we're going now in the room. So it's like a classic hotel look, like you're in the old Arabic villa, something like that, with the Islamic touch. 117. So this is our room. First look. So we got the twin bedroom, but we make it as a single bed. So we put it together as a request, and some table here, chair here, and I don't know what is this. Swimming pool? Rocco, it's not a swimming pool. I don't know, maybe sports or something. I don't know.
What?
Maybe huh? Yeah, maybe for praying or something like that. I have no idea. Water heater. Don't touch this one, it's hot. Oh my. And this is the complimentary water, of course, some coffee, milk. And there is a small fridge down, and
This
table and a bathrobe, maybe extra pillow up. So there's a what's called baby cot. So the hotel provide for us this. Okay. So Rocco, you will sleep there tonight. Okay. So the baby cot is ready. Thank you for the service of Western Hotel. Even we didn't request for this, but they provided. So Miss Rania, you need to sleep there tonight. Don't get a space in this small bed. Yes, what do you want? You want? What do you want? So you just look around in the bathroom or in the toilet. So of course there's a towel, nice and clean. The shower room is a little bit small, but it's perfect. And of course here, nice and clean. Oops, Rocco! Ah! Oh no, look what Rocco did. Ay, Rocco. See? Go back. Okay, welcome. So this is the complimentary. Here in the bathroom, sanitary bag, shower cup, vanity kit, nail file. If your nail have some problem. And comb, of course, shampoo, and soap. So that's it. You know what? Rani like to travel. She never cry along the way. So I think it's perfect for us. And yes, what do you want? Why? Don't do. You want to make a coffee?
Hindi natin na yung internet pala, no?
I like the room. It's nice and clean and usual for a 4-star hotel. But one thing that I don't like, they give us this view, especially if you travel 1.5 hours from Abu Dhabi, and of course you don't want to see this kind of view. I don't know what is this also, maybe for the mall, something like that. Anyway, not our day today to see a good view in the hotel. So maybe they're considering this baby because we have 2 babies, so maybe they're thinking these 2 babies will cry at all day all night. That's why. Or maybe if they saw some babies and infants and kids, so they automatically put in this room. So I don't know. So I have no idea. But I'm not happy with the view. Hey Rocco, I'm vlogging here. You want to stop my career? you have a lot of requests, baby. Rocco, you like here?
Yes.
This is our new house. Not allowed there? Why?
Oh no, what happened? It's broken.
Which one?
I know.
So this room we got in Agoda. We book in Agoda. It's around 300 all in, including tax, tourism fee, and everything. So it's around more or less 300. But I think the normal price of this room is sometimes around ranging from 300 to 500, depend on the season. So I just giving you idea in the Western hotel. So see, my baby is enjoying here. She's not crying. See, look, she's so happy.
Guys, I dare yes.
It's 5:30 in the afternoon, and planning to go outside, just roaming around in the hotel. So this is our survival kit for tonight, plus the chicken adobo that we cooked before, and this is coffee. Rocco, I told you again the GoPro is here.
Okay, Bobo is here. Hurry.
So we're going outside. Rocco, don't shout. So this is the swimming pool. Hindi na kami makatiis. Plano namin tomorrow morning pa mag-swimming dahil itong batang to. You want to swim now?
Enjoy na enjoy yung anak ko, oh. Rocco!
So we're now here in our room after swimming, and we're just preparing our dinner, and my baby is down there super tired. And okay, then see you tomorrow. Bye, good night. Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning today. Let's go. We're going up for breakfast. Morning. So we're looking for a table first. Let's look what is available here in breakfast. And some pizza and French toast. Yes, Rocco. Okay, later I will get that one. Of course, egg, some sausages and bacon, and mushroom, and a vermicelli, and tomato curry, and spices, and chickpeas and baked beans, full madams, and some potato croquettes. So this is a salad bar, and juices. Wow, Rocco, juice, orange juice. Ah, watermelon. Rocco, watermelon. Wow. It's the bread. Okay. And this is the fruits dessert section. Okay. So ayan, start na kami ng breakfast. So this is what I got. Some vermicelli and French toast, maltesa, egg and sausages, and some beans Arabic taste, and this watermelon. This is a fresh watermelon juice, and for Nikki and for Rocco, fresh watermelon also. Wow, Rocco. And some coffee. So they're also offering omelette as per request. So of course, request for that. More options still there. So if I can, I will try. If not, then let's see. So the good thing when we go in the breakfast, so nobody's there. And then when we go in a swimming pool, we are the first one also to go in the swimming pool. So I don't know if people is lazy to wake up in the morning, or the guests of the hotel is just few this time. But today is Friday, so I don't know why. This time we own the swimming pool by ourselves. It's private pool. Time check, it's 9 in the morning, and I'm just resting here with my wife. Look at the attire of my wife. Ooh, one hot mama, and my baby's there, and maybe another baby here. You're finished swimming, Rocco? No? So I'm going out, waiting for my car. I'm driving now, going to a city mall to look for food. Let's find and check there any good restaurants. This is the city mall. Some are still closed, maybe in the afternoon. I'm looking for the restaurant. Popeyes is closed. So this is I bought in the mall. Some biryani and a lot of water and juice for Rocco. So I'm going back to hotel to feed my family. So knock down this guy. 3 hours in the swimming pool. I don't know how long it will take to sleep this guy. It's 2:45 in the afternoon. All bag is packed and Rocco is ready to go back. And thank you for giving us extension. We go for late checkout until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Only some hotel giving this opportunity like this. Most of the time we will check out at 12. So thank you, Western Hotel. You're the best. So it's time to bye-bye. Thank you, room. You're good. We will come back to you once Rania is big enough to swim in the swimming pool. Bye-bye, room. Say goodbye to Western Hotel. 3 o'clock, paalis na kami dito, and 1.5 hour going to Abu Dhabi City. And I hope that you enjoy joining our family today and yesterday, and I hope you like this video. And if this video is helpful to you, please like it. And if you have question or suggestion or reaction, please comment. And if you like our channel, our family, please hit subscribe so that you're still feed our video in the future. So thank you for watching. That's it, and bye bye.
Baby,